My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Yo, what's cracking, YouTube? It's me, your host, Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing another sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share. Follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my man's Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. Oh, I forgot to say something. New pickup, new sneaker review. No, not new pickup, new sneaker review, early review, because this is an early sneaker review. Haven't done one in a while. It is June now. The end of May and the beginning of June, I was in Japan. I am home for 1 week, but I didn't. Oh, got some. What is that? Oh, I don't know. Probably from my hoodie. Oh, it's all over. What is that? Ugh. Anyway, this week I'm home until Thursday. Then I'm in New York until next week. Then I'm in Paris. So not really gonna be doing reviews. I don't really think nothing's dropping like that anyway. To be honest with you, I can't remember. And I was actually surprised about this. My homie hit me up. It was like, yo, we got some incoming new heat coming in. I don't consider this heat because this is not my style, but it is what it is. Y'all like it, I love it. So let's get straight to the review. I'll be back after I give y'all a detailed look on it and give y'all some proper information like suggested retail price and all that good stuff. So stay tuned, be right back. Okay, we got the standard Jordan 14 box, you know, the gray one. Red Jumpman in the center. All right, let's flip this over so I can get you this description. It reads Air Jordan 14 Retro Challenge Red Black. This is size 11, as you can see, so it's not a personal pair. Spoiler alert, I do not want this shoe. This is barely just for y'all so y'all can see, and I don't like how they always wrap these shoes up like a mummy. Like, Jesus, it's always wrapped like, oh my God. But anyway, let's get all this out the way, get this paper out the way so much. All right, boom, get that out the way, stuff this back in the box, close that, set this up. Then I gotta get through this one. Oh, so much wrap. It's not even necessary. Like, we don't need all this stuff. Anyway, all right, put this right here, and there we go. We got, without further ado, we got the Air Jordan 14 Ferraris. Okay, boom. All right, Air Jordan 14 Ferrari. Right there, you see this red suede. I know what this is. It's definitely red suede going all around the shoe. Got that yellowish tint right there for the Jordan on the tongue. Got the logo with the Jumpman and the like Ferrari type emblem. 23 on the back with a Jumpman. Got 14 right there in Roman numerals on the bottom in yellow. Black midsole. Got the carbon fiber right there. And yeah, I mean, listen, I'm be real with y'all. I just do not think this is a good shoe, attractive shoe, a fashionable shoe. But that's my opinion. I don't want anybody to just be persuaded by what I like. I know a lot of people that like the 17s and the 18s and 19s. I don't all those Jordans after that. I don't like those at all either. So I really strictly keep it 1 through 13s. And then even in between them, I don't really like that much. But if you like it, I love it. So I just wanted to give y'all a quick little look at this. Not too much detail, but I am going to give y'all some information at the house. Okay, we back. Hope y'all enjoyed that little sneak review. I like that. Sneak review of the Air Jordan 14 Ferrari. I'm going to give y'all some information like I always do. This is off of Sneaker Bar Detroit. Shout out to Sneaker Bar Detroit. You can read along with me. It'll be up in one right now. Should be up right now, so you can read along with me. Air Jordan 14 Ferrari releases June 14th, 2025. So I think that's next week, if I'm not mistaken, or something the week after that, something like that. All right, get your engines revving because the Air Jordan 14 Ferrari returns June 2025, excuse me, and is more figure than ever. That means fire. Inspired by luxury speed machines, this retro brings pure horsepower to your feet. Draped in a rich varsity red suede, this sneaker is louder than the Ferrari engine on the Autobahn. Okay, little corny jokes. Black detailing and yellow pops give it that signature personal horse energy without needing to drop 6 figures. Carbon fiber teeth on the midsole. Yep, they're still here and sharper than your cousin's hot take. Why is this got so many corny jokes in this? This is crazy. The chrome stank plate looks like it was ripped straight from a Ferrari's front grille. Mine's a speeding ticket. Oh yeah, I can't do this. This is just horrible. And let's be honest, nothing screams style like matching your kicks to a supercar. You'll never afford. But hey, one step at a time. That's an ad right there. Sorry about that ad. Mark your calendars. June 14th. It's about 14th drop at 2:15. Jordan brand. All right, we're not even gonna read all this because that was just full of corny jokes. That was just bad. So hey, there's some more pictures. And yeah, all right, let's just wrap this up. Like I told y'all when I was showing y'all the shoe, this is definitely a drop for me. I only like maybe 2 14s, the Candy Canes and Royal Blues. I had both of those, got rid of them. I like the Last Shot because of the history behind the Last Shot. Some shoes I get even if I don't like the way they look, I get them because of the history. So I know this is a historic shoe too. I guess I'm not really too familiar with the Ferraris, but I'm not getting this. This is definitely a drop for me. I'm not a fan of the 14s that much. And I'm definitely not a fan of this colorway. That red suede, I'm not really a fan of that. So, but again, like I said earlier, if you like it, I love it. So let me know in the comments below if this is a copper drop for y'all. Yeah, June 14th, 2:15. That's I'm not paying on 2:15 for the shoe either. But anyway, like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. As always, should be your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, represent Tune's Kicks and the whole Tune Squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.